Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. And today we're here with Masicka Love Story. Masicka Love Story. Obviously, Masicka dropped him album, so Masicka dropped a few songs from the album. I believe this is on the album. Also, this is gonna be like the third song he dropped from the album. Maybe something about, I don't know. But if it is, it is. So let's see what go on. Let's get the other scene. Let's get it. So Masicka talk about.
Another ending love story. Another ending love story. Another ending love story. Another ending love story. I guess which I love and it no work behind your pretty smile. Me see the earth, me know me dish a dirt. Me dead as if lift you up, not only lift your skirt.
Yes. Love story. So this is about a girl. He must sing to a girl, but by the sound of it is a loyal girl that's been there from the start. You see me? Him number one. So if this track is from the album, this is 3 tracks dropped from the album, which is 3 totally different track. So before him drop different kinda different. Him drop different, then him drop update, now him drop this. So different. Let's go.
I guess which I love and it no work behind your pretty smile. Me see the earth, me know me dish a dirt. Me dead as if lift you up, not only lift your skirt. I lift me search, me no find nothing close to you. You are the first.
But they have to lift you up, not only lift your skirt. So I'm here for more than sex. Me not just want sex alone. Me want the whole package. You see me? And I must say something about if him search, him could never find nothing close to you. So basically, she's 1 in a million.
Me dead as if lift you up, not only lift your skirt. I lift me search, me no find nothing close to you. You are the first. Can you tell me what to do this and the truth? We are reverse. Me picture you as I do with one of me youth in the church.
The man picture you as a wife. The picture you in the church with all of my youth. I mean, at the church basically. I say I do. So marriage, I get married to her. So I'm serious about that one. Yeah. This is what he's been searching for the all time life.
Just the thought of you and make my heart a move in my shirt. Me feel like Whitney when we did not go by school and we a flirt. Would I give you the fucking world?
Yo, just the thought of you that any gallus has been in love. Cause enough man to say, oh, I've never been in love around you, man. No love. Yeah, no, lie. Any gallus that's been in love know this. The start of you make the heart a beat and it boom, a beat in your shirt. You see me? And then him a reminisce. And I compare to when time him there high school with her. And them a flirt. You understand?
My heart a moving and my shirt. Me feel like Whitney when we did not go by school and we a flirt. Would I give you the fucking world and fly you through the universe? Truly you're the best to have my back all when me do the worst. This a beauty and the beast.
Truly, she have him back or when him do the worst. No matter what him do, she still have him back. You see me? Even though him wrong, she still have him back because of the ride or die chick that. Big up all of the ride or die chicks them out there, we have them man back through thick and thin.
How can I give become a curse? Stage of school full of ocean, wonder how you still a serve. Everything you work, pass a finger, baby, ring your work. No more ring around me, leave a flirt before me leave the earth.
Pass your finger, baby, ring your word. Pass your finger, married. You know? On one knee, propose, yeah. Pass your finger, baby, ring your word. You see me? Then him say something else after, I never catch it.
This a beauty and the beast, how can I give become a curse? Stage of school full of ocean, wonder how you still a serve. Everything you work, pass a finger, baby, ring your work. No more ring around me, leave a flirt before me leave the earth.
No more ring around. He get it to him, him use the word play this so. Him say, pass your finger, ring your word. Then him say, no more ring around. Him don't even want to flirt before him leave the earth. You see me? So, him don't want to flirt with another woman, so you are the one serious about you.
Forever African, believe the words, the sun, the tree, the birds, I witness love and the moon, my queen, until we reach the earth. Another ending love story. Another ending love story. The more that things we want to send, me have the ink in the pen, me want to link you up again, my friend, for see the fuse at 10.
The more that thing where the boss wants to say, not the ink in the pen run out of ink. Well, the pen run out of ink, but if him starts everything he want to say, the pen gonna run out of ink. So too much we say, too much. You see me? Too much.
The amount of things me want to send, me have the ink in and the pen. Me want to link you up again, my friend, to see if you's a 10. Whether band I must have been a...
Me want to link you up again, my friend, to see if he's a 10. To see if he's a 10 out of 10, to see if he's a 80. They want to link you up again. So basically, this is somebody where was in his life from school days and she gone and miss her. This sound like a true story to me still in the Masicka. But I did it.
Now the ink and the pen, me want to link you up again, my friend, to see if you's a 10. Whether band I must have been everything me want to spend. And if you call the call me end, my friend, and you me call me Jen. Girl, you hot set on the trend, me need you like the oxygen. From me I take the taxi, them you stand up strong, so like cement.
Bad. This bad. This no joke. This bad dog.
Whether band I must have been everything me want to spend. And if you call the call me end, my friend, and you me call me Jen. Girl, you hot set on the trend, me need you like the oxygen. From me I take the taxi, them you stand up strong, so like cement.
So basically, him tell us say from him not have nothing. From him take the taxi, I go to him destinations. She stand up strong beside him like a cement. She stand up strong like a cement. You know cement stand up strong when they put in a farm and build a house. That the man tell us say yo from them time that she have my back from me have nothing. So she's not a gold digger because she's been there from me have nothing.
What you mean me have to vent? Nearly leave with all my strength. I just send me feed a girl and never accident. Yeah. Hope you miss me cause I miss you do but it no show. Been for my mind, I wonder if you know.
Hope you miss me now because I miss you too, no, baby. It's been for my mind. You see me? It's been a show. You see me? Yeah.
Want for grip you slow. Want for looking at your eyes and some love you and watch you smile as it a grow. Make the weed, make the liquor flow. Hard cold like it a snow, you gone but me not bitter do. You feel link up if me keep a show. Yeah, me day up on the ground, move you reap everything you did and so.
She gone. This is somebody that was in Masicka life. The boss I tell her say, yo, we feel link up if me even keep a show. So basically, wherever she there, Canada, America, England, Germany, wherever. Once we keep a show there, so once I'm performing a show, we need to link up. Whichever country that we need to link up. So Masicka lose somebody close all time life. Like, and them a reminisce on the time and them want her back. It's a love story.
Just want you know that you see it. Hope you achieve all your goals.
This sound personal to me. This sound real and personal to me. This is not just a song. Masicka not call me and tell me, say, yo dog, you know, say this is just a song. No, Masicka. This is somebody where you're serious in your life with, or see your serious adult life with, and for some reason, either she get up fly out, either our family send for her, she left school before time and gone, and you always are reminisce on that wonder way, so to speak, get away. But you know she's out there. So right now, tell her that you miss her, but then again, you hope say she she achieve all her goal them what she want to achieve. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, man. And as a note, I come to closure. Love your girl, but love alone to overcome the soldier. You a keep a distance, me a keep my composure. Always the start of something new when summer over.
This touching. This is personal as fuck. This is personal, bro.
But me need a you know, ja. Time of the master, we're getting older. Learn from our mistakes. Me need for all you. Yeah. Another ending love story. Another ending love story. Another ending love story.
So, what we see here, so the girl who I sing to is happy. She have her family. She have her husband and she have her child. Her child like just coming from school. Husband just coming from work. So, good girl step out of the G on. Not for we can relate. Not for we can relate as man, dog. She's not happy. She's not happy. Even though she has the perfect family on the outside, deep down inside, she's not happy. See her face? Even though when him have somebody else and she have somebody else, them still not happy. Them want back each other like that. You understand? Yo, this bad. Yo, this bad. This personal. Yo, this personal as hell. I love this. Masicka, you can't look at me and tell me, say, dog, you know, say, it's just a song we made. No, Masicka. This is a true story. Some girl slip out of your hand. Some girl slip out of your hand. And you want her back, you know. From a long time, too. Because obviously, you say, she stand up beside you like a cement from here to take taxi. So you don't know that this is before your bus. So you know which foreign country she there. But you need to link her, brother. Or she needs to link you and make the thing happen again. You see me? Yeah, make it known, brother. You see me? But wish her all the best, same way like you did in the song. Wish her all the best. But this is sick. This is creative as fuck. Masicka, big up yourself, bro. We see the maturity in a Masicka work, you know. The heights of maturity in our work for even drop something like this. You see me? But big up on yourself, stay. This is how I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new and big up all this viewers them when I've subscribed yet. Big up on yourself, same way. Yeah. Genocide fans, big up on yourself. Don't think me forget to do that. Big up on yourself. Sicka, big up on yourself, my G. And I hope the girl find her back. You hear that? So I'll see you guys on the next one. See? Peace out.